Hey everyone, it is Silly Man here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a cash button to your game that will give you cash whenever you click it. So let's start off by creating the cash button. So I'm going to go to Starter GUI, and then insert a Screen GUI, and then insert a text button. And then I'm just going to call this cash button. And then I'm going to change the size. So I'm going to change it to 0.15, 0, and then 0.06. Then I'm going to change the position to 0.020, and then 0.50. And then I'm going to change the anchor point to 0 and then 0.5. Then I'm going to change the background color to green. And then the border size pixel to 3. And then the border color to white. And next we're going to update the text. So I'm going to just say click for cash. Then change the text color to white. I'm going to scale it. And then change the font. So now that we've created the cash button, it's time to do some scripting. So I'm going to go to server script service and then insert a script. So the first thing we have to do is create a cash leaderboard. So to do that, we're going to say local players equals game get service players. And then we're going to say players dot player added. So this is an event that will fire whenever a player joins the game. Connect function and then player. And we're going to say local leader stats equals instance.new folder. And this will be for the leaderboard that will show up on the top right of the screen. Then we're going to say leader stats dot name equals leader stats in quotes. And it's important to make sure that you type all this in lowercase, otherwise it won't work. And then we're going to say leader stats dot parent equals player. And then we're going to say local cache equals instance dot new, and then say int value in quotes. And then say cache dot name equals cache in quotes. Cache dot value equals 0 because we're going to start off with 0 cache. And then cache dot parent equals leader stats because we want the cache to display on the leaderboard. So the next thing we have to do is create something called a remote event. So a remote event allows the client and server to communicate with each other, and we need to use this because when we click on the button, so when we click it here, we need to tell the server to update the cache value that will show up on the leaderboard. So I'm going to go to replicated storage, right click, and then insert object, and then insert a remote event. And if you don't see it here, just type in remote and then click on remote event, and make sure you don't click on remote function because we need to use a remote event. And I'm just going to call this give cache. And then I'm going to insert a local script inside of the button. And then we're going to say local replicated storage equals game get service replicated storage. And then we're going to make a variable for the remote event that we created. So we're going to say local cache remote equals replicated storage dot give cache, because that's what we named the remote and it is inside of replicated storage. And then we're going to make a variable for the cache button. So we're going to say local cache button equals script dot parent, because the script is inside of the button and the parent of the script is the button. And then we're going to say cache button dot activated. So this will fire whenever a player clicks on the cache button. Connect function. And then we're going to say cache remote fire server, and then put parentheses. And then now let's go back to the server script, and we're going to say local replicated storage equals game get service replicated storage. And then down here we're going to say replicated storage dot give cache dot on server event connect function player. And then we're going to say player dot leader stats dot cache dot value plus equals 1. And this will increase the amount of cache the player has by 1. So now if I go ahead and hit play, can see that the cash is here on the leaderboard, and if I click the button, you can see that it goes up by 1. If I keep clicking, it keeps adding cash. And that is how you make a cash button in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and I will see you all in the next video.